Okay, so I wanted to do a bit of a revision to the way I put these brakes on last time. I realized I was having trouble with it, and it didn't dawn on me that I've done it a better way since then. And I just totally forgot about it because I hadn't done them in a while. But so I prop that bottom brake shoe up, and I hold the spring up here. And we'll come over here at an angle, and we will just hook the spring on like so. And I'm gonna get it behind the slack adjuster without knocking the camera over. So I'll just pull it up here. I'll be up there. So I just pulled it up, and I'm kind of lining it up with the eyelet there, and just pull it into place. And there you go. That was way easier, wasn't it? So it's a lot easier to do it that way with these type of shoes. So you see, now we got the spring hooked on both sides. It wasn't a nightmare to do. See, it's a lot easier, I guess, to pull the tension on the spring when you're just pulling up on the shoe also. So then I'll slip my rollers in like I did last time. And I'll just come over here and I'll wiggle the shoe into place and put my pin in. And then these shoes are on. So yeah, I mean, it didn't dawn on me while I was doing it that there was a better way, but I knew it the whole time. I just totally forgot about it because I haven't done them in a while. The other brakes that just have the hooks on these back sides and don't have the pins like this, basically it's just notched out like that, and then they sit on the little pressed in shafts. There's a spring on both sides, so there's a spring that goes from here to here on both sides of those other types of shoes, and those you can do pretty much the same way but in reverse. Getting the spring on the front's a little bit different, so you can hook them both together with the springs here and then just flip them up over and then put the front spring in. But even that case there, it might still be easier to put the front spring in and then just pull these springs and then hook them in the holes. I'm sure I'll end up doing some in the future, and I'll show you both techniques. So come over here and I'll take my pin and kind of wiggle it in there. Helps when the backing plate ain't on. It's fighting me. There we go. Seal and your snap ring. And over here. Over here. Front. What's in there? Huh. Wonder that one was so much tighter than that one. Alright, I'm gonna have to clean up these holes. That paint in there's kind of binding up on this, so anyway, that's how you do it.